Stephen Guilfoyle, CLG Aidan Dere, Cunday Ufoyle.
If I describe myself, I'd be outgoing. I would be positive. Look, I suppose as a goalkeeper, you kind of have to be. You have to be, a goal goes in, you forget about it. Don't dwell over anything bad that happened.
Bhí Stephen Tóca leis an amáint ó bhí seog.
The hurling's his love. I don't definitely say it's his first love. I know I'm a second and I don't mind that. I've accepted it.
Look, it's good for the mind. I can switch off when I'm hurling.
Cé go raibh a chríos jigan, níor happy sin na deisina.
I would have had a shot in goals for Offaly. Like, in my prime, I would like to think, like, people have come and said to me that I'd be definitely worth a shot, but I never got my shot for Offaly. Probably do have two things against me. Yeah, I know age isn't on my side, and probably losing a few stone.
I do feel that his weight it's holding him back. He knows what he can do, but feels that the weight is blocking him and his goal.
If I drop a couple of stone now, I'd be more than happy now. I'm not going to say how much, but if I got a couple of stone, I'd be more than happy.
Le seacht mlíana caite aige ag tamáint lordathe, ba bheag cuidú a hlíomhatha.
It was just long hours. It was 4:30 and maybe it was 6:30 and I finishing. I'm training back home. That's why I just said something has to change. I went back to the carpentry and thank God it was the best move I ever made.
Fós Mary agus Stephen, 3 bliana ó hin, I 2019.
Mary had 2 boys. They're now my stepsons.
He just brought everything together and just made a family for us today.
He'd do anything for you. He'd run you to training, run you to the field.
The 2 boys, sure, look, they're mad into sport. They're as mad in sports as I am. They're absolute credit, in fairness. They're brilliant.
Every week he does come home with a few bad jokes from work. Now,
why did the robot go haywires?
right.
Because he got hands wires.
He has been huge. They're after blooming since he came into our lives.
Chuir siad fáilte a bheall nuas a teile go norig, an Janmh Grace.
Their bond it's beautiful to watch.
I jumped into fatherhood with my 2 feet in, and it was the best jump I ever made.
Is é ag buint tríal as na underdogs, tá Stephen ag tnú le seans a chumas a chruthú dá Heilach.
They never saw me in my prime, but I'm feeling something good is coming. And hopefully I can get to show exactly what's coming.
Underdogs, i bpóirt le Greenfields Digital Sports Technology, creators of the Smart Schlitter.